consultant, mapa-freelance dev, mapa-experienced dev, kahit anong level ka pa. So that we can offer, more opportunities na available sa Web3 and ma-funnel talaga sa mga developers natin dito sa Philippines. Ayan, so itong topic natin, mostly introductions lang to. And yun nga, why Arweave matters or what even is Arweave and how to actually earn as a developer. And actually, hindi lang developer, as a builder, pwedeng designer and whatnot. So yun, here in Arweave Philippines, we empower Filipinos to build in the perma-web. Sa pag Arweave ang pinag-uusapan, lagi nyo marinig yan, perma-web. Basically, perma meaning permanent, web, yung web. That's why perma-web. Ayan, ganun lang siya kasimple. Okay? Are we ready? May ano ba dito? Hindi ako familiar masyado sa stage na ano. May mga emojis ba dito? Possible mo mag-emojis dito?
Yes, brother. May emojis.
Possible. Ayan, sige. Nice. May chat nga pala dito, no? Gilid. Ayan, sige. Tapos may questions kayo, guys. Feel free to drop them sa chat. Tapos sagutin natin sa Q&A session. Very quick din tong magiging introduction natin. And very chill lang. If you have questions, naisip nyo agad, drop nyo agad sa chat para later on, mabalance. Okay? So, getting started with Arweave. On Arweave, why it matters and how to earn. Pero syempre, kahit sinabi ni David na ni founder na no need ng introduction, mag-i-introduce pa rin ako. Mukalit ako eh. So, howdy guys, I'm Theo. To give you a little bit of background about myself, I think hindi naman lahat nakakakilala sa akin. Hindi naman ako sikat. So, ayun, I'm a former engineering manager sa Accenture. So, I manage 3 teams sa Philippines, sa US, and sa Europe. And konti sa India pala dati. Pero yun, I now transitioned to full-time Web3 as a senior engineer at Ocfi. So, it's a DeFi company or decentralized finance company in Solana. So mapapansin nyo, hindi ako full-time talaga sa Arweave. This is just my volunteer work or my advocacy kasi I have been using Arweave for the past year now and I really love the tech behind Arweave. And malaki talaga natulong niya sa entire Web3 ecosystem. As in sa entire Web3, hindi lang sa Arweave itself. And right now, I'm also the CTO at Ionic Group. It's a venture studio that does, mga gaming, game aggregators, marketing tools, and so yun yung mga roles ko right now. And yun, sobrang nag-enjoy ako sa Arweave ngayon. That's why I'm doing these works. Yeah, so hello guys, I'm Theo. If you want to follow me on my socials, Theo in Tech, ayan, kung ano yung pangalan ko dito. And yeah, so let's set expectations. This is our first workshop, collaboration with FWDP. So, lilinawin ko lang, again, kahit nabanggit na ni David, you will not learn how to invest in Arweave or AO. Hindi ko natutunan yan dito. Hindi kayo matututo ng cryptocurrency trading. Hindi matututo ng basic JavaScript coding or frameworks. Pero medyo, prerequisite sa mga next workshops natin. And hindi nyo matutunan maghanap ng jowa dito. Okay? Hindi nyo matutunan dito yan. But, you will learn about Arweave, its core concepts, yung mga projects or mga protocols sa Arweave. Ayan, malalaman nyo yan. Anong economics ni Arweave. And then, also you will learn how to code in Lua, the programming language that's used in the smart contracts. So, it's very basic lang. Actually, isa lang data type niya called tables. Hindi kayo masyado mahirapan. And medyo similar naman siya sa JavaScript na mas pinadali pa. Na ang lagi namin sinasabi dito yung Lua, even 9 years old na bata, kaya siyang gamitin. Later on, malalaman nyo kung bakit. Tapos yun, magbibuild tayo ng mga blockchain smart contracts, tapos AO Connect, which yun yung pang-connect natin from smart contract to front end to our web apps. So, in TypeScript lang din yun. Pwedeng Next.js, any other framework ng JavaScript. Tapos yun nga, Lua for AOS or yung mismong blockchain smart contracts natin. Okay? And then, yun, of course, end-to-end talaga tayo dito no, sa lahat ng magiging workshops natin with FWDP. So from learning the concepts up to actually using those concepts and using, kung paano nyo natutunan gumawa ng smart contracts to actually having opportunities to earn, to have job opportunities even, yung mga full-time and even part-time freelance works. Maraming yan sa Arweave. And we will share everything to you guys. So, ayun, sana makasama namin kayo sa mga susunod na workshops, hindi lang dito sa introduction or introductory workshop natin. Okay? All good for expectations. Okay? Sana wala magharap ng joke dito. Pero kung may mahanap kayo, okay lang din naman. Bonus. Ayan. So, let's start with why do we care about Arweave? Di ba? Yan ang pinakaunang tanong eh. So, bakit ba kayo nandito? And bakit natin dapat malaman si Arweave? So, familiar ba kayo dito? Sa mga images na to. So, 404 not found. Sinasabi hindi, mamaya ako naman yung chat. So, ito, 404 not found. Or pagpunta nyo sa website, biglang 403 forbidden. And maraming ganyan. And even ito, Friendster. Di ba? Sino nakaabot ng Friendster? Age reveal. Age reveal, guys. Friendster. Sino nakaabot? Si Founder. Ayan, ako hindi ko na inabot yan. Bata pa ako. Ano pa lang ako? 18 pa lang ako. 18 ako, 10 years ago. Ayan. So, Friendster, di ba? Wala na siya. Pero sabi, bumabalik daw eh. Pero, my point is, maraming mga websites na actually hindi natin ma-access, right? Nag-404, nag-403, kung ano naman. Wala talaga, hindi natin ma-access. Maraming websites na ganyan. And kasi, yun nga, alam ko nagkaroon na kayo ng sessions with other blockchains and other, Web3 mentors na everything is centralized pa. Puro centralized authorities yung nag-own sa mga platforms na to, diba? Pero sa Arweave kasi, and that is because today we are just renting our data. Basically, we have servers and databases sa AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, Alibaba, and whatnot. So marami pang iba. Lahat ng databases niyan or lahat ng data natin, nire-rent lang natin sa kanila. And platforms na ginagamit natin ngayon, yung mga apps na yan, they're actually just hosted in these cloud platforms, di ba? And marami na rin kayong yan. Alam ko, marami kayong workshops about cloud platforms and infrastructures, di ba? We're just renting them. Basically, these platforms, these apps that we're using today are in a subscription basis or even pay as you go sa mga platform na to or sa mga cloud services na to. They are just renting our data monthly. Binabayaran nila yan. So what happens if hindi sila nagbayad? Mawawala yung data, mawawala yung website, hindi natin ma-access and whatnot. Yun lang yung point doon. Okay? Now, Arweave allows you to store data almost permanently. Ibig sabihin, kaya almost ang estimate nila dito is if your data is stored in Arweave, it will be stored for almost 200 years. Kaya medyo permanent siya kasi sino bang mabubuhay sa atin after 200 years, di ba? Wala naman. And sustainably with a single upfront fee. Meaning, kada upload mo, isang beses ka lang magbabayad. Hindi mo kailangan magbayad ng monthly, ng subscription. As in, pagka-upload mo ng file mo or ng any type of data, isang beses mo lang siya babayaran. Upon upload. Doon lang siya. And files or data are actually stored on thousands of computers worldwide. So, imbis na yung data mo is nakastore lang sa AWS servers, nakastore lang sa Google Cloud servers, hindi siya doon nakastore or sa mga data warehouses. Hindi lang sila doon nakastore. Ang difference with Arweave, since it is decentralized storage, people, even normal people, kahit ako, I can store your files for you. Tapos ako yung babayaran mo ng single upfront fee. Okay, that's why files are stored on thousands of computers worldwide. Even normal people participate as someone who stores files. Okay, kahit sino pwede. And yung mga nag-store ng files na yun, they are called miners. And they are, rewarded by storing your files. So anyone, kahit ikaw, kahit kayong 43 na nandito sa call, pwede kayong maging miners. You can store files in your hard disk ngayon and you can be miners. You will be rewarded kapag nag-participate kayo and you store files in the Arweave blockchain. Ayan. And yung mining, hindi natin madidiscuss yun kasi hindi yun yung main focus ng mga workshops natin in the future. Pero I can give you resources if you want to be like a miner. Like, if marami kayong storage sa sa bahay nyo, sa mga hard disk. Hindi storage ng bigas hindi storage ng pagkain. Storage ng hard disk. Okay? Ayan, so that's Arweave. Kasi the reason why Arweave existed is because blockchains like Bitcoin, even Ethereum, even Solana, is very limited in terms of storage. So imagine for Bitcoin, only 1 MB can be stored per block. So it's sobrang liit. That's why sobrang mahal din mag-store ng data. Kaya nga ang Bitcoin mahal kasi yung store of value niya sobrang liit lang ang pwede mong ma-store kanya. Sobrang scarce. Okay, but in Arweave, it looks like this. Okay, hindi siya blockchain actually. Arweave, kaya sa Arweave, it's blockweave. Kasi yung blocks, naka-weave siya. It has something to do with how data is fetched. So, next time na natin pag-aaralan yon. Pero ibig sabihin, mas mabilis yung fetching and mas cheaper. And it allows for more storage to be, more data to be stored pala per block. So, if Bitcoin, you can only store 1 megabyte per block. Dito, each block has 2 to the 256, hindi ko lang paano basahin to power minus 1 bytes. Basta malaki siya. Hindi ko lang kung peta o hindi siya tera, pero I think sobrang laki niya. Kaya na lang mag-compute. Kasi kung may mathematician dito, ayan, kaya na mag ayan. Tapos if we go deeper, ganito talaga yung itsura niya. So ito yung miners natin, sila yung nag-store ng files. Ito yung blockchain. And your data is actually stored in a data lake. Ayan. Next time natin pag-aralan yan as we go deeper into Arweave. Pero, ayan, para lang may konting hindsight kayo paano talaga siya, paano yung itsura niya. Yung high-level architecture niya. And then yung data lake where your files are stored. Ayan, may mga gateways pa na tinatawag na para mas madali sa atin as a user, as a builder, to query yung mga data. So next time natin pag-aralan din yan, I'm just giving you an overview of what our next weeks would look like. Ayan. Don't get overwhelmed kasi sobrang dali lang nito. As in, sobrang, ano lang siya, a few lines of code. Kung paano gagawin yung mga fetching, yung pag-upload ng file, few lines of codes lang siya. And in JavaScript, in TypeScript. So, ayan, goods tayo dyan. But as a user, ito lang kailangan nyo malaman actually. This is how it generally works. Yung nasabi ko kanina. So users globally upload files, pay with AR token, and then that AR token goes to two main people. 5 to 15% goes to the miners, and 85 to 95% goes to the endowment. Yun yung pinakabayan. So for example, let's say mag-store ako ng movie or ng video na 3 minutes. Depende sa size yung babayaran mong AR token. Sabihin na natin magbayad ako ng 1 AR. Okay? To upload my 3-minute video sa Arweave blockchain. Let's say 1 AR, 5 to 15% of that will go to the miner or kung sino mag-store nung video ko. So sabihin natin 0.15 AR. And then 0.85 of that will go to an endowment or endowment. Okay? So don't worry, yung mga miners, kahit sobrang liit, di ba? 5 to 15%. Profitable pa rin sila. Na, ayan, kumikita pa rin sila. So, baka tanongin nyo, bakit ang laki ng endowment? 85 to 95%? Kasi endowment naman yung gagamitin as emergency fund. If ever, yung mining or yung pag-store ng files is hindi na profitable, doon kukunin. Para emergency funds nga. Doon kukunin yung pang-reward sa mga miners. And alam nyo ba, since 2018, since Arweave was established or founded, never pa nagamit yung endowment or yung emergency fund. So, up until today, even if 5 to 15% lang yung napupunta sa miner, they are still profitable. So, ganun kaganda yung sistema ng Arweave. Ayan. So, ano pa rin? Ang ibig sabihin kasi nito, if miners or yung mga nag-store ng files are still profitable to store your files, they will continue to store your files. So, it's like storing your files forever kahit isang beses ka lang nagbayad. Yun yung pinaka-gist nun. Okay? And yun nga, may emergency fund naman tayo. So, if hindi maging profitable, magko-continue pa rin ma-store yung files natin. Kasi may pagkukuha na. Okay? Alright. So, that's like the overview of Arweave, how it works, why it is important. Because we want our files, or actually not just files, we want any data in the cloud right now to be permanent through Arweave. Kasi you can store entire websites to Arweave. As in entire websites. Kasi ano lang naman yun compiled HTML na compiled HTML na yung sobrang haba na iba-iba yung ano. Ayan. Actually, ano data? Ngayon nga, sa Arweave, full LLMs, full models, ini-store ngayon sa Arweave. And kayang-kaya talaga. And even now, na Arweave is more than just an on-scene storage solution. Na ngayon, si Arweave, hindi na lang siya pang-upload, hindi na lang siya pang-fetch ng data, or pang-upload ng data, hindi na lang siya pang-store ng data. Kasi now, with Arweave, we have AO Computer. So, di ba Arweave as the base layer, as the blockchain to store your data. Ngayon, meron ng AO Computer that's implemented on top of Arweave, which is a supercomputer naman, which allows for logic. So, imagine a supercomputer that's able to run parallel processes, or wag muna yung parallel process, baka malito kayo. Imagine a supercomputer utilizing a fully decentralized, unlimited hard disk. So imagine niyo, meron kayong supercomputer sa bahay, tapos yung hard disk nyo, unlimited, and forever nakastore yung files. Imagine niyo, ganun siya. So, supercomputer meaning you can have like big computations na yun lang, available sa supercomputers like quantum computing, complex AI systems and all. And it's able to horizontally scale. So parallel processes kasi siya. So imagine, as a builder, as a developer, mapa-student ka man or experienced developer, hindi mo na kailangan ng heavy infrastructure. Hindi mo na rin kailangan mag-setup ng sobrang, alam mo yun, complex na sa AWS, ang dami mong services na iba-iba, tapos magkakonekta lahat. No need for that. You only need AO computer, the supercomputer to handle the logic, the decentralized storage, Arweave, and then your frontend. That's basically it. Those three. Tapos may app ka na. Even complex apps, you can build complex apps. You just have to build, deploy, and run your app on AO computer, Arweave, and then your frontend. Ayan. Okay? Ayan. So ito, pakita ko lang yung video. AO computer kasi very, very different siya with other blockchains. And ito, sa next topics na natin gawin, kasi medyo kailangan natin i-deep dive. Ano ba talagang difference niya with other blockchains? Kasi iba yung pag-scale niya and iba yung ayan, kung makita sa video, ito yung traditional blockchains like Ethereum, Solana. Nag-share lang sila sa isang highway or isang transaction lane. Pero si AO, marami siyang lane. Ayan, next time natin pag-aralan yan. And in terms of ecosystem, marami na ring projects sa AO Computer na binibuild ngayon. And ito, isa-isa dito, pwede niyong screenshot to. or pwede ko rin i-share kila David. Later, magagamit nyo to. Kasi imagine every single project here is building and will eventually need more, more developers, more help. Not just developers, even designers, community managers, and all. Marami silang need for their projects. Yeah, and more about this ecosystem project soon. Ayan, so that's why we're pushing for builders in RV Philippines. Dahil dito sa mga possibilities ito and dahil sa mga opportunities na to. So we want more builders, more developers, more designers dito sa RV Philippines basically. Ayan. Ayun. And quick intro, yun pa rin. RV Philippines brings opportunity in our RV and AO ecosystem for both creatives and developers. Ayan. Next slide na pala yan. Nabigla ako. Okay? So that's RV Philippines. Ayun. Very chill intro lang about what is RV, anong ginagawa namin sa RV Philippines, and why do we care about RV. Ayan. So now, we actually bring some opportunities to you guys, both in the local scene and the global scene sa RV ecosystem. Sa local kasi, may mga konting pakulo kami na hopefully makasama namin kayo, FWDP community, and your friends as well, maybe your schools, kung iba't ibang schools man kayo. Kasi weekly, sa amin, sa Discord naman namin, and sa Facebook group ng RV Philippines, meron kaming bounties. And this will actually start on Monday. So weekly, magpapamigay kami ng 10,000 pesos in prizes for both developers and creatives. So ito na yung pinaka-prize pool namin. And ang mangyayari weekly, iba-iba, yung parang way. Minsan mas mahirap yung bounty for creatives, kaya mas malaki yung prizes from the 10K sa kanila. Tapos developers, mas malaki. Weekly, iba-iba yan. One example of a bounty, visit ko lang ulit yung list namin. Sa creatives, ano bang list ng bounty? Teka, hanapin. Bounty. For creatives, meron ba mga artists dito? May mga artists ba tayo sa community? Mga designers, graphic artists, tapos yung mga nag-sketch. Feeling artist. Ayun, meron daw. Sabi ni Rhea. Ayan. So kasi, I think, sige Alpha, para may early announcement din sa inyo. Since partner naman namin yung FWDP. Hindi naman nakaiba sa amin. Ayan. I think sa Monday, ang for creatives ay RV Philippines mascot. Ayan. Ayan, yun lang. Yun muna yung sabihin ko. RV Philippines mascot for creatives. For developers, sa pagkakatanda ko, form, tama ba? Simple form lang. Like, merong name, ano ba yun? Name, GitHub link. Basta form, simple form lang. Tapos, once you submit, it uploads to Arviv. And magbibigay naman kami ng reference link kung saan mo pwede i-copy-paste yung code actually. Actually, madali lang kasi mostly copy-paste lang yung code. Iintindihin mo lang ano yung ka-copy-paste mo. Tapos JavaScript lang. And you have like 4 days to do it. Sobrang simple. Kayang-kayang gawin. Basta marunong ako mag-JavaScript. And maybe Next.js, React.js, or Svelte, kung ano man. Yeah, sobrang dali lang. So, tandaan nyo na yan. Kasi sa Monday, mag-announce kami. Ano bang araw? Ano bang date? October 21. Yun yung first weekly bounty namin. Ayan, mamigay kami 10,000. Okay? Abangan nyo na yung announcement sa Facebook group ng RV Philippines. May Facebook page din kami. May Discord kami. And may Twitter at RVPH. Okay? At RVPH. Later, makikita nyo naman. So yan. Another opportunity. So imagine niyo 10,000 weekly, that's 40 to 50,000 per month. And what if ikaw lagi nanalo? We will allow repeat winners to join again. So, alam mo yun, if ikaw lagi nanalo, why not? Kung magaling ka talaga, di ba? Use this as an earning opportunity for you guys. Yeah. And ang good news pa, if you are actually one of the winners sa mga weekly bounties namin, you will be part of what we call sorry. Hindi ko na skip ko na yun sa akin. Wait lang, babalikan ko yan mamaya. Eto, if you are one of the winners sa weekly bounty, and even ito sa mga partner workshops namin like with FWDP, if you are very exceptional sa mga activity natin during the workshop, you will be part of the Builder Circle. Ito yung marami kaming plan for this. Pero number one plan for this is you will be kayo yung pinakaunang mare-refer kumbaga sa mga job opportunities. Kasi ngayon marami naghahanap sa RWIV ecosystem na alam mo yan, kasi kami official community sa Philippines ng RWIV. So sa amin nahanapin yung mga talents. So ayun. Yun na lang. Yun muna sabihin ko. Marami pang opportunities for the Builder Circle. So I really encourage you guys to join the weekly bounty and even these workshops with FWDP kasi magkakaroon tayo ng mga activities dito after workshop. And yun nga, if you're exceptional, you might be referred or you might be tapped to join the Builder Circle sa RB Philippines. Ayan. And balik ako dun sa weekly bounties kasi baka sabihin nyo, ayun, magagaling lang yung dyan, yung mananalo dyan, or yung mga experienced developers lang. Paano kami mga students? Ito isang patunay, guys. Ito one example, ito ako to. So, I'm an experienced developer na, pero si Calves is our creatives lead ngayon sa RB Philippines. He's just a student, graduating student siya. Ano yung school niya? Pero yun, nag-aaral pa rin siya ngayon, but he already won $2,000 bounty by creating a tile set for Web3 games. Sa RWIV ecosystem to. Ito yung ginawa niya. Tapos he also won a $1,000 bounty by creating memes. Sino nandito nanalo ng $1,000 sa paggawa ng meme? Sa RWIV, possible siya. So ito yung ginawa niya. Actually, hindi lang ito yung ginawa niya. Marami siyang ginawa. And this is the entry that won. Ayan, $1,000 agad. Again, sa RWIV ecosystem yan. May isang parang community na nagpa-bounty. Ayan, para gumawa ng memes. So now, nag-funnel yon tapos kinuha namin siya as creatives lead sa RB Philippines. Ayan, those are the same opportunities that we can give you guys. If you join our workshops, if you join our Discord, Facebook group, even. Ayan. So yun, possible siya even for students. Hindi lang for experienced builders, for developers, designers. Yun. And of course, it can be you. Okay? And for developers, ayan, baka na-overwhelm na kayo. Again, don't worry. You just need to know JavaScript, pinakauna. Yung Lua, pag-aaralan natin yan. Sabi natin pag-aaralan. Huwag kayo mag-alala. And again, kaya ko nasabing kahit 9 years old, kaya siyang pag-aralan. Kasi yun yung ginagamit ng mga bata talaga, literal na bata, para gumawa ng mods sa Roblox, sa Minecraft, sa GTA. And tayo, gagamitin natin yung Lua para gumawa ng smart contracts. Yun yung parang magiging pinaka-backend natin. Or how will we create our APIs, basically. Okay? Yun, Lua gagamitin natin. Super simple. And then we will be launching our website, which will give you step-by-steps na intro, sino yung kailangan yung i-follow na account para lagi kayong updated sa RWIV. Tapos yun, mga step-by-step, ano yung kailangan yung pag-aralan. Ang pinaka-last step dito, how you will actually earn sa bounties, sa hackathons, sa job opportunities, lahat yan, ilalagay namin sa website. Para, kunyari, may bagong papasok or may bagong developer na gustong pag-aralan si R-Wave, gustong silipin, madali na i-onboard. Madali na yung onboarding natin. Okay? So we will launch this hopefully next week. tapos ko siya pa baka sa in the coming days. And then, we will also do more partnerships and workshops with other communities. Thank you, FWDP. Thank you, David, for being our first partner and doing these workshops. Kayo na. And hopefully, marami pa tayong, alam mo yun, maging developers inside the R-Wave Philippines community para we can share more opportunities to you guys. Ayan, pasok lang kayo ng Facebook namin sa R-Wave Philippines. Yun, actually, that's it. Wala na ba? Yun na yun. That's actually my presentation. Very quick lang, very chill. Konting overview. Hopefully, naintindihan niyo yung mga sinabi ko kasi medyo naubos na talaga yung boses. Pinipilit ko na magsalita. Ayan. Thank you, guys. Let's go with the Q&A, I think.
Okay, nawala na yung aking cup. Nasaan yung cup ko? Pero yun, guys, feel free to ask questions kay Tio if you have any questions. Kung nasaan. Teka.
Nawala na yung cup mo.
Nawala na yung cup niya. Ayan, guys, if you have any question, kindly drop it on our chat box. And Tio will accommodate you for our Q&A session.
So, ayun guys, wag mo na kayo alis, okay? Kasi meron din kami announcement sa FWDP. Q&A muna. And of course, kasi may pa-activity tayo for today. So, syempre, ito yung mga sasagutan natin para manalo naman tayo ng prizes. Kasi di ba na-discuss na mananalo kayo ng cash prize, 10,000 pesos worth of cash prize by joining the Airweave platforms for the weekly bounties. Okay, so meron for creatives and meron for developers. Now, meron din tayo sa FWDP. So, ang gagawin nyo lang is magsasubmit ng parang ginagawa natin sa mga monthly committee day, magsasubmit kayo ng mga screenshot sa mga posts doon sa mga tanong na ipa-flash namin mamaya. Pero for now, ayan, may mga tanong na tayo pa no? Brother Tio. So, ang unang tanong ni SSH, in theory po, how large the data can be stored in the ecosystem and how fast po siya to read or download those permanent data? Ayan, di daw siya well-versed sa Web3.
Yung how large, theoretically, I don't know how large, pero yung pinakita ko kanina, 2 to the 256 minus 1 bytes. Hindi ko kasi alam paano siya compute eh. Pero it's large. Sa ngayon, wala pa namang nakaka-max. Even kahit nag-deploy o nag-upload sila ng full LLMs, wala pang nakaka-max talaga. Pero theoretically, that's the number, yung 2 to the 256 minus 1 bytes. Yun siya. Convert na gano'ng kalaki. And how fast yung read and download? It's quite fast. Actually, you can try, maybe I can give one. I can give one sample. Ito. Pwede ba ako mag-send ng link dito?
Yes, brother. Pwede ka mag-send dun sa
Pwede ba sa chat?
Yeah.
Ito, this is one example of an image na uploaded sa R-Wave. Pwede mo siya i-load actually. Ay, naging image bigla. Paano siya gagawin? Lagyan ko ng space. Ay, hindi. Lagyan ko ng space yung HTTP tsaka tanggalin nyo na lang yung space. Pero, ayan. The fetching is super fast. Hindi naman siya loading na even 1 second. It's sub-second naman. And that's, I will talk more about it sa next sessions but it has something to do with the gateways. Basically, gateways yung nasa gitna. So you have the user, the gateways, and the blockchain. So si gateways yung nag-i-structure ng data from the blockchain. And siya yung nagka-cache, siya yung nag-query through GraphQL. So may caching na rin dun sa mga gateways. And ito nakita mong rweave.net. This is one example of a gateway. There's like hundreds of gateways. Merong AR.io na gateway. Itong rweave.net, it's a gateway. Maraming gateways that, caches and helps us to really fetch and query super fast sa mga data na nasa blockchain ng Rweave. Ayan. So it's fast naman. And thank you for that very wonderful question, SH.
Ayan. So, meron pa tayong pahabol dyan na tanong. Ayan. So, do we have any more questions from the audience? Ayan. So, typing si Brother Paul. So, hintayin natin. Nakita ko si Brother Paul sa Zeus Ayan. Nakita niya sa aking natural habitat. Oo, si Bossing By the way, welcome pala yours truly, Bren, sa ating FWDP Discord. So, habang hinihintay natin ang mga tanong nila, brother. So, may tanong ako sa iyo, Tio.
Ano yan?
Kumain ka na ba?
Parang
Ay, tumawak. Alam kagad na kalokohan niyo.
Parang natakot ako sa tanong.
Yung pang tanong mo, founder, hindi naman pang Tio pang bebe yun
Why not daw?
Ano ba yan?
Ayan na, ang tanong ni yours truly, Bren.
Ayan, may tanong na pala si yours.
Ayan na. Ang tanong ni yours truly, Sir Tio, is, meron bang opportunities for music creatives in our web?
Yeah. Actually, one industry na gusto ko talagang pasukin kasi you're a musician ba? Bren? Bren siguro pangalan mo, no? Nag-assume lang ako. Ayan. Actually, I'm a musician as well. So, yun talaga yung isa sa industry na pinaka gusto kong pasukin in terms of, sa Web3. And sa Rweave kasi, I think magme-make sense din to, have all our music in Rweave. Kasi sa other blockchains, hindi naman siya possible store because of limited storage. And, yun. And sa Web3 kasi hindi pa masyadong, active talaga yung music industry. Yun talaga yung gusto kong i-penetrate. Pero right now, wala pang actually super successful in terms of music. And in terms of opportunity, I think meron naman. Parang may nabanggit yata dati na project sa Rweave. Wait lang. Sabihin ko lang yun. And ibigay ko na lang kay David. Pero merong isang project na it's mostly alam mo yung interactive for events? Para ba sabihin niya? Saan dulo ng dila ako Yeah, sa Rweave kasi merong naging event dati sa Germany, yung Rweave Day, birthday anniversary ng Rweave. Meron dong isang project for music and it's used for yung interactive na both interactive art and interactive music. Parang ganun. Medyo ibang universe na siya. Pero it's pa rin. It's Web3, it's a Web3 project. Basically, yung music is stored in Rweave and parang nabivisualize siya. Ang hirap explain Basta it's interactive art and music. Parang ganun. And yun nga, sa Rweave, doon lang siya magiging possible compared to other blockchains kasi yun nga, sa Rweave, you can store huge data sets, your huge data instead, aside from, hindi aside. You can store music sa Rweave na hindi mo kayang store sa other blockchains. Yun lang. Nahirapan ako sa terms. Yeah. So meron namang mga opportunities for music creatives. Hindi lang siya ganun karami pa. Kasi even I myself, I want to really push for music sa Web3. Pero yun, mahirap siya eh. Kasi guys, musicians are one of I won't say the slowest, but medyo may barrier talaga and may friction sa pag-onboard ng musicians into tech. We just have to find that, sweet spot of how do we onboard musicians into tech and even blockchain in Web3. Yeah.
Ayan. So we have another question, brother, for this time from I'm Paul. Curious lang daw siya how decentralized yung gateways ni Arweave. Are the gateways endpoints being hosted by centralized providers like AWS? Or is it being hosted sa own infra ng Airweave?
And I think there are gateways na medyo centralized and there are gateways na decentralized. Kasi per gateway, iba't ibang project din yan eh. And I think one example of a decentralized gateway is AR.io, if I'm not mistaken. So iba-iba siya. I'm just not sure how it is set up, but you can search for AR.io. I think this one is a decentralized gateway provider. Yeah, so iba-iba siya per project, per gateway. You can search this one, AR.io. Patanggal na lang no Bulldog. Yeah. And there are, I think, hundreds of gateways. Iba-iba sila ng implementation din. And I think mostly are decentralized naman. Yun. Okay, thank you, Paul. Thank you.
Right. So there's another question, brother, from SSH. So when it comes to permanent storage, first thing I think of it's internet archives and torrenting. Do you have any plans po to support other programming languages or bindings?
Yeah, actually, maraming kasabi niyan, yung torrenting dati. Yeah, actually, I think almost, mali pala yung term ko, hindi siya almost the same, but it has some similarities. Yeah, baka ma-record ako sa maling terminologies eh. It has some similarities, yes. Tapos do you have any plans to support other programming languages or bindings? This I'm not sure kasi the one who handles it is the forward research or yung inventors ng Arweave and AO. But what I can say in AO is that it compiles, I think, to WASM 64 if I'm not mistaken. I think WASM 64. Yeah, nagiging assembly naman siya. So maybe any languages that compiles to assembly, I think it will be available soon. Wala pa lang yatang gumagawa. I think may gumagawa na pala for TypeScript. Yeah, I think it will be available naman. As long as the language compiles to assembly naman. It will be available, I think. Anong language ba gusto nyong gamitin? For for smart contracts. Kasi for frontend, it's always JavaScript. If it's web. Tapos kahit anong framework naman pwede. Gusto nyo ba Rust? Kasi mag-Rust. Actually, yung Lua kasi sobrang dali na. Ano bang other language na personally kasi hindi ko pa nagamit yung Go and Move. I'm not sure saan ba siya nagko-compile. But yeah, let me ask that question. Did I answer your question, SH?
Ayan guys, so feel free to, we have all the time in the world. Kasi 10:46 pa lang naman. Very chill lang talaga.
Ay, yung low code, no code. Low code, no code na lang sana. What if we actually build those? Diba? Kasi tayo, pwede natin siyang gawin for other alam mo yun, low code or no code builders. We can actually do that. That can be like a hackathon entry. Kasi sobrang dadami yung builders sa Arweave if we have, low code and no code platforms. And naman if marami na tayong templates, marami na tayong na-build, pwede na nating hatakin dun yung mga gagamitin natin for no code and low code. And even, boilerplates na, alam mo yun, magtutulungan tayo to build things. And boilerplates and templates na hindi na tayo paulit-ulit ng kunyari, may gustong gumawa ng NFT collection, ganun. Or may gustong mag-implement ng token staking, may gustong mag-implement ng marketplace, or kung ano naman, AI app na fully on-chain. Pwede na natin gawin yan as a collective, as a community. And then pala guys ito pala hindi ko nabanggit. AO, yung pinaka-computer on top of Arweave, is the only, if not one of the very, very few na pwede kang mag-run ng fully on-chain LLM model. AI model. Ayan. Fully on-chain models. And marami pa siyang features actually. Like yung cron. Sa other blockchains, walang cron. Walang scheduler. Ayan. Next time na natin explore yan. Baka masyado kayong maramihan. Pero if you want to build AI apps, I'd suggest build it sa Arweave and AO. Kasi meron tayong super fast na LLM na running na sa AO. Ma-access nyo na sa smart contracts. Sa ngayon sa Arweave Philippines, ang pinaka magiging focus talaga natin is gaming, of course. I think Filipinos, alam mo yun, magagaling na game devs and even AI apps. Maraming magagaling sa atin dito. So I want to really maximize that. Yung opportunities doon sa gaming and AI apps. Meron ba kayong mga game devs dito?
Yung game dev brother na alam natin si SH ayan.
Ayun, game dev. Sakto pala si SH Sa Arweave and AO din, meron tinatawag na reality protocol for gamers or for game developers. Ano na siya? Basta protocol siya for gaming. Hindi ko pa siya masyado na-explore But it helps you to build games easily on top of AO. So, mas pinadali na niya na para siyang template or boilerplate para makapag-start ka ng game dev sa AO. Meron na yan. Isasama natin, mag-invite tayo siguro ng speaker from Arweave Global na siya yung gagawa ng reality protocol workshop with FWDP. And actually, yan yung bala ko. Mag-invite tayo ng global speakers dito sa FWDP sa mga workshops natin with Arweave Philippines. Para hindi lang puro ako magtuturo kasi limited lang din yung alam ko sa AO. Mas maganda per topic, like building AI apps, building full databases on-chain na may SQLite, sorry, na nasa blockchain. Tapos, yon games on AO para mag-build. As in, specific topics gawin natin. Tapos, global mentor kunin natin. Okay, guys?
Alright. So, kumusta na ang ating mga FWD peers? So, going once, going twice. I'm busy na going once, going twice natin. May na po ba tayo, guys? Do we have any more questions from the audience? Ayan. Saan kayo nagkakita na nagsusombrero habang nasa bahay, di ba? Airwave lang yan. Ayan, no? So, do we have any more questions? Yan, si Sisha nagta-type. Tingnan natin kung tanong yan. So, napaka-exciting guys kasi wag mo na kayo alis dahil may announcement pa kami ni Rhea. So, si Rhea may hiwalay siya announcement tapos ako may announcement din ako na nakakatuwa, no? So, yun nga, no, sa weekly bounty natin with Airwave, 10,000 prize pool, no? 10,000 pesos is prize pool, yung gaganapin sa mismo Airwave platform, no? Which is a Discord. So, sa atin naman, ayan. So, yun ang pabitin natin para hindi mo na kayo malis. Alright, so do we have any questions, guys, from the audience? By the way, guys, no? So if you want to go back for this session, we have a recording. We will upload it on YouTube. Ayan. So para may mabalik-balikan kayo. Yan, no? Kasi para sumikat din tayo, no? Yung mga nasa audience tsaka makikita kayo sa video. Pero yun, okay, so since wala pa naman kayong mga tanong, and yun nga, no, don't be afraid if you feel, no, incapable sa programming pa. So, feel free lang to join yung Airwave platforms natin. Kasi nandiyan naman yung ChatGPT, di ba? So, we can learn along the way naman. Okay? And yun, so, I'm going to share my screen. Actually, hindi na pala tayo mag-share ng screen, no? So, what I'm gonna do is I will bring here sa ating side chat. Ayan. And then I will share the screen dito sa ating live. Ayan. So, kung nakikita na yung founder Jen Souls, ayan. So, i-zoom ko lang yung ating photo, pero naglalag ako ng konti kasi luma na yung laptop. Pero yan, so here's our event, guys, ay activity for today. So our deadline here is Sunday, no? So Sunday ng umaga. So nakita natin dito, guys, ating QR code. So feel free to scan that. We have 2 questions, alright? Na ito ay ipapost nyo sa Airwave Philippines Facebook group. Pero confirm ko lang muna kung ako na yun. Ayan. So, patayin ko lang muna yung aking screen, no? So, the point is, nandiyan naman sa ating side chat yung ating stop streaming tayo. Nag-iingal yung ating Alright. So, we're back. So, ito guys sa side chat natin, sa left, sa right side. So, ayan yung mga activity natin. So, ito yung link to the Facebook group. So, ito yung link to the Facebook group, guys. So, we have there 2 questions sa ating photo. So, what excites you the most about Airwave and Airwave Philippines initiatives? And name at least 2 projects are interesting and why. So yan guys, no, sa ating cash prize. So itong worth of prizes, ito ay galing mismo sa FWDP. So ito guys, merong dalawang potential na pagpupunan nyo ng prizes. So meron sa side ng Airwave Philippines, ito yung sa The Bounties, no? So if you participate in the Bounties, so you will be able, no, to of course, no, to what you call this, to get prize 10,000 from the 10,000 cash prize, no, 10,000 prize pool per bounty sa ano yun, nakati na sa mga bounty for 2 months. And yun naman tayo guys, sa 5,000 worth of prizes, yan po ay galing sa FWDP mismo. So yun yung syempre mapapanalo natin yung merch, no? So una yung merch, so yung FWDP t-shirt, lanyard, and sticker. And of course, cash na din. Alright? So yun yung galing sa 5,000. So yung mechanics natin is we're going to have a leaderboard. So leaderboard natin, it's good for 2 months, no? So of course, October to November. So ang gagawin niyo lang guys is mag-aabang tayo ng mga workshop na i-hold ni Theo dito sa FWDP Discord. And yan, no, sa mga dyan, no, sa ipapapos namin na mga activities, so mag-participate na kayo. And then, submit the screenshots doon sa QR code na naka-paste dyan sa photo, sa side chat. So, by the way guys, kindly confirm by typing number 7 kung nakikita nyo na ating photo. So, type number 8. Ay, 7 pala. 7 na yan. Alright. So, correct behavior. So, ayan, no? Again, ipopost namin yan sa Facebook, sa FWDP Discord mamaya. Along with, of course, the posting of the YouTube video. Okay? And with that, ayan, sa mula sa 5,000, top 3 lang yung kukunin namin sa leaderboard. So, yun yung mananalo ng merch, no? Yung t-shirt na FWDP, yung lanyard na FWDP, at yung ating, tawag dito, yung ating sticker. At the same time, pati na rin yung cash na din. Ayan. So, we're still, abangan nyo na lang sa Facebook page, yung, ano yung mapapanalo ng top 1, top 2, top 3. Basta, submit right now, no? Submit your answers right now. So, swerte yung mga nandito kasi, ayan, no? Advantage kayo sa leaderboard. Okay? And that is from FWDP.
Yes. This guys, correction lang. Regarding the open of the Google form, it will be open until 11:59 tomorrow PM. Hindi siya until morning lang. Correction.
Ayan. So, nag-decide na pala yung team namin na i-extend hanggang 11:59, no? So, yeah. So, who's excited, guys, sa bounty prize ng Airweave at sa papanalo ng worth of 5K worth of prizes from FWDP? Grabe, napakagalante naman ng Web3 brother. Napakagalante naman. Hindi na certificate yung yung inaabangan ngayon eh. Kasi last year, di ba, okay, last year kasi certificate tayo eh. Pero, ngayon, it's talagang pera na, tsaka mga merch. Yeah, din, guys, sa na pala natin, no? Sa Airweave platforms, as far as I remember, na Bado Dio, you guys have also the chance to win Airweave merch. So, ito yung sample ng Airweave merch natin, guys. This is the best cap. Actually, I don't wear caps talaga at all. Ngayon lang ulit ako nag-suit ng cap eh. Parang huli kong suit ng cap, brother, senior high pa lang eh. Kaya pwede na ako mag-model sa Airweave eh. Grabe, lumalabas yung...
Why not, di ba?
Oo, lumalabas yung...
Bakit parang feeling ko nagpapahiwatig siya sa'yo, Tio? Nagpapahiwatig siya kuning ambassador. Ano ka, chicks?
Actually, marami pa tayong merch. Meron tayong shirt, meron tayong mug. May stickers.
Ayun guys, meron din
tapos,
galing for our wave.
Tapos
Yun.
meron pa kami super special na merch, yung jacket. Wala lang dito nasa labahan yung sa akin. Yung suot ko nung last week, ng Sabado. Yun yung
Makikita nila yung Tio,
pinaka-special merch namin.
yung suot mo ata yun nung nagpunta si Jen sa event mo. Yung nagpa-picture siya with the tarpaulin. Yeah, that one, guys. Yun yung tinutukoy ni Tio na
Mahanap ko
jacket.
ba yun? Yung picture na yun. Pogi ko dun eh. Pogi rin si Tio dun eh. Kasi pogi yung pogi yung jacket eh.
Tumingked ako dun eh.
Tangkad kasi ni Founder. Kahit ako eh. Nanliliit dyan eh. Hanggang balikat lang ako yun eh.
Patangkad kaya si Rhea. Pero yan, guys, yan yung jacket. Yan yung special. So yun yung, hindi yung bigkit yung isa, yung left side ating brother natin. So, ayan. By the way, guys, di ako part ng bidkit na party natin sila. Ayan. So, yun, guys. Again, to summarize. So, bukod sa mga prizes, syempre, kasi nagmumukha na tayong money rito, no? Nagtitwing ayos natin sa money at saka sa mga prizes. Ang pinakamalaga dito, guys, is mag-develop tayo ng mga apps that will be useful, of course, to whoever, no? We will make the apps for, and that is with using Airweave, no? So, of course, ang dami pa namang change dyan. Pero yung sa mga na-discuss ni Brother Tio, ayan. So, yung pinakamaganda dun para sa akin if I'm gonna develop, isipin mo guys yung you can store data without worrying about it being deleted or modified over time, di ba? Angas noon, guys. So, perhaps 200 years. 200 years mag-i-stay sa Airweave. So, yun guys, no? So, yun yung yun yung among everything that you discussed. So, that's why it's very exciting to develop with Airweave. And hopefully, guys, we can have you, no? For free lang naman to wala naman tong bayad, brother As in, sa 1 and 2 months, walang bayad. Kumbaga, kaya pa may chance na manalo ng prizes, diba? Yung merch sa FWDP. From our side, that is to answering the form. Ay, Rhea, pakipaste nga yung form. Yung form yung form ng ating submission. So, bukod doon, no, sa mga prizes, ganyan, FWDP, just from participating here sa mga pa-activity natin after the workshop, meron din for Airweave. Yun ang pinakamalaga, guys, when you join the bounties, no? So, join na kayo sa mga platforms sa Airweave. So, brother, meron ka pa dyan, Discord link ng Airweave?
Discord, I think it's Discord.gg.
Ayan guys, so nandiyan na yung ating submission form na ating post activity for today. So it's very easy lang naman, guys. Isipin nyo, ganyan ka-easy yung mga post activity natin, guys. So ganyan ka-easy. Mag-iisip lang kayo. Basta wag na i-chat GPT. Dapat galing sa puso kasi gina-judge yan ni Tio, no? Yung mga taga-Airweave Philippines, no? So dapat from the heart, no? Hindi pwede
malalaman namin yan.
malalaman namin.
Madaling maspat yan.
Ayan, no. So, dapat from the heart. Hindi sa amin, guys, yung kung grammar, hindi kami yung sa substance kami kasi mga dev tayo. Di ba, brother Tio?
Tagalog. Oo. Kahit Tagalog.
Airweave Philippines Airweave Philippines.
Basta yung Airweave, Tagalogin niya rin.
Airweave. Airweave na yan Ayan, no. So, yun yung naman, no, sa side namin. Of course, you will post the answers first sa Airweave Philippines platform, sa Facebook group. And then, of course, isasubmit nyo sa form. And then, of course, doon naman tayo sa Airweave platform, sa bounties. Weekly yun, guys, weekly. Okay, so 10,000 pesos na prize pool. So, manalo ka man sa lahat ng bounties o sa ilan man o sa isa man, no, just feel free to join. Kasi ito guys, hindi naman ito labanan ng, ng prices eh. It's really about, yung sabi nga ni Ivan, win-win guys, either you win, either you win or you learn, no? So win or learn lang. Possible din na madagdag sa portfolio niyo. Lalo na yung mga gagawin niyo sa bounty. Di ba, brother, no? Yung mga gagawin niyo na sa mga bounty, pwede na i-add sa yan. So, are we excited, guys? So, press number. Ano ba yung number? Brother.
0.03, guys.
0.01 to 04.
0.03. Special number yan kay founder.
Yung pie. Ang ganda mo.
Alright, guys. So, maraming salamat sa... Do we have any questions pa ba from the audience before ending?
Uy, grabe ka. Mag-i-end ka na. May special announcement pa ako from my side. Grabe ka talaga, founder.
Nakakalimutan ko talaga si Rhea.
Hi,
nagbago na ako sa nickname mo. Ayun guys, I'll pass the floor to Rhea.
Grabe siya, guys. Alam kong inaabangan niyo tong announcement ko kasi ito si founder gusto nang i-end agad eh. So, yun guys. Just to be, surprised and keep our Discord lively, we will be bringing back our movie night for this October and November events. Every weekend, Sunday night, we will be having our movie night. It's a spooky night. May tanong si Paul. Sorry. To clarify, sa RVPH FB group magpo-post. Yes, Paul. Correct ka dyan.
Sa Airweave Facebook group.
Yes. So, ayan. Balik tayo guys sa ating announcement. Every Sunday night, we will be releasing we will be doing a movie night, spooky night, for starting tomorrow and the succeeding Sundays until November 3. We will be releasing a pool here in... we will be releasing our pool for the movie list, and we will be doing a roulette to pick which movie will be showing for tomorrow's night. That's it for this evening. Bakit may naglalatag ng Gcash?
Alright.
Latag ko na rin sa akin.
Basta si founder na may sagot, sige.
Solid na nga ngayon eh. Sipin nyo guys wala na yung pogos, wala na yung mga scam text. Grabe. Nakakapanibago. So, ayun guys. So, ayun, dami pa natin iabangan. Diyos ko. So, siyempre mga night shift Wednesdays natin. So, default na yun. Alam nyo naman yun. Every Wednesday we have night shift Wednesdays. Yan guys, sumagot na kayo ng form please. Okay? Basta hindi galit kay ChatGPT, mananalo kayo. Tapos, yun, salin na kayo sa Discord ni Arweave. Kasi doon yung boundaries kasi yun talaga guys. Yun talaga yung goal, no? So, to develop in Arweave. At saka nandyan naman very helpful lang naman sila actually. Si Brother Tio, very approachable, very helpful, very fun to be with. So, hindi naman kailangan or required na ikaw ay isang magaling na developer. Okay? So, marami rin actually dito ay sa taga-FWDP na yung mga active talaga, sina Cortesano at saka sino to? Si TJ, yan. Yung mga ilan naman sa RV Philippines, party sila ng RV ng FWDP. So, ayun guys, if you're gonna develop something, if you have questions, nandito naman sina Cortesano at saka si TJ, no? So, almost every day active naman sa FWDP, joining our calls here. So, yun. Just feel free to ask questions kasi nandito rin naman si Tio. Okay. So, yun ang mahalaga, guys. Okay? So, para pagdating na panahon, if you're gonna develop with Arweave, so yun na, no? And then, there are a lot of opportunities in Arweave. Halimbawa yung naging speaker namin sa Builders Meet, diba? Para kakapit-bahay lang yung Pilipinas.
Oo, yan. Magandang kwento rin yun. 22 years old. Lumilibot ng buong mundo kasi...
Nagpunta ako sa edad eh. Akala ko mga 30 na eh. Kasi yung experience, tsaka yung dami na napuntang bansa. Pero yun guys, kasi part siya ng R-Weave talaga. R-Weave Africa, di ba Bruno? R-Weave Africa.
Pero ano yun eh, may full-time siyang project sa R-Weave. So, job opportunity lang din sa R-Weave. So, imagine.
Dami daw pera. No? Yun yung napagkwento naman ni Teo eh. Kami tatlo ni Mirdi. So, ayan, ni Mirdi Kim. So, South African siya. 22 years old. And living alone, always rides airplanes. And at the same time, sabi niya sa mismo kay Teo, maraming job opportunities sa Airweave. So, ano ba hinihintay natin guys? Diba? Yan si Teo. San pupunta si Teo, diba? Every, Kaya ako guys, wala pa ako sa Airweave baka sabihin nyo, nag-i-food ako. Hindi pa Airweave yun. Pero, ayun. Yan, so hopefully we see you more guys. Lalo na sa Airweave na Discord, no? Kasi doon na yung mga bounties and all. Alright? So, yun lang naman so far, guys. Thank you so much for coming. This is recorded tong session natin. And see you on our next workshop and see you in the weekly bounties ng Airweave Philippines. Bye!
Bye, guys!
Thank you. Bye-bye.